What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and look, I have an unboxing I want to do for you. Let's see what it is, right? And it's just some house stuff, real easy to put together. It's the secret stackable shoebox. Space easy to install. I have bought two of them. I bought two of them earlier, and it's I'm gonna show you what it look like, because you know I like to give you a description of what's going on, what I have. It's a 12-pack. It's a 12-pack extra large shoe storage organizer for closet. Modular space saving shoebox, clear plastic stackable container in the display case bin with large black. I got black and I also got a white. So this is what I have. Yeah, I got a black one and I got a white one. So it's easy to put together, but you do gotta. The thing is, when you put it together, you got to make sure you bend all the corners to get the rectangle like they want you to do. And also when you put the tops and stuff on, make sure they all facing the same side. Once you get those, then it'll be easy to put together. But let's open one of them up. Let's open one of them up. That's all right. Okay. I guess if I move back, you can see, huh? So here's the instructions right here. It shows you what you can do on how to put it together. And it also got some clamps, little clips. So when you put the shoe containers together, they got a little bind in the thing where you can hold them together. So you pick all of them up at the same time. So this right here. So once you want to put them all together, you plop those on top of the box, and they stay together there where it won't spread open. But it also has the open bends for one side. The other side is to open the part up. So they come like this right here. There's 12 of them. And the way I did it last time, since it's already bent, all you gotta do is just bend this part. Make sure you get it all the way bent. Then you go to the other side and bend this one. So you only really have to bend two of them because it's already a bent. The thing is already bent for you. So once you got that, now you see you already got this set up. So come with like 12 of them, 12 backs, 12 openings right here. So like the back part right here, and this is the part where it opens. And I'm gonna do one of them for you, so you can see. It's easy for you to do it if it's on the floor. So now we got this one, right? Let me lower this down so you can see. The alright. Okay. do you say? So when you do it, you look on which side that you want. It's gonna have a part where you're gonna see where it got an in slot. That way all you gotta do is just line it up. So normally easy way for me to do it, because I don't want to keep bending over a lot, I put it on the floor. But when you do it, you have to bend these right here. There's these 4 corners. If you don't have these bends, it's not gonna slide in. Once you bend the 4 corners, it will slide in once you line it up and just push it in. And normally for me, since it's both sides, I do all 8 of them. So we just bend all 4 of them in on each side. Make sure they bend now. Make sure you're pushing down so it can be bent, because if it's not bent, it's not gonna go in. So now that you got it bent, you can put it on here, line it up in the corner, and it locks in. Same way when I do the lid. Say if I get a lid, alright, okay. This is another thing. You see how this right here, you got the top, you see the top right here? Make sure when you have the lid, make sure the lid is also facing the same direction. That way it can be even when you put them together. So I'm gonna put it down on the floor. I got the thing facing that way, so that means I'm gonna have it like this. Put it on, line it up. Remember, I already folded the corners. That way, all I gotta do is just put it on, line it up. Today, I gotta see though. I gotta see. All right. Okay. I can't get it this time. I had it this time. There you go. Once I got them, I normally do it in a corner. Once I get that thing snapped in, then I just work my way around. Work my way around, and then I will snap in. And I'm blowing it up now. I'm on the jet now. I'm gonna do with this sound. So now you can put our shoe in. And remember, you can just stack them on top of each other, and then you can have multiple sets, so you can do them. I have I bought a white one and a white one and a black one. That way I can have them with different colors. I will show you what it look like. So I already did some. So they're gonna look like this. See how I got them set up? I got them rotating black and white. You can do whichever style you want. You can go black, white, or whatever color. I like it this way because I wanted to do different. And if I want to get my shoes now, all I got to do is just open them up, snap them in, and just replace them. A little bit more convenient for me. I did one. Since I have bought 2 the first time. And I'm like, I wanted to go higher, so I bought some more, so I could have it higher, because I do have a lot of shoes. Now it's gonna be more organized. So, but yeah, that's how you're gonna do it. But just make sure, like I was telling you, this part right here, once you put this on, once you put this on right here, make sure you bend all the 4 corners. And make sure they both facing the same, both of them facing up, the nubs are facing up. Then you be okay. Because the first time I did it, I was just trying to put it here, you were trying to erase and put it together. And I had one side up and the other side down like this, and it wouldn't even go together right. But then I looked at it, it's supposed to have both of them facing the same side. And then, so you do that, get your thing. Remember, you just bend because it's already folded, so it's two sides already bent. So just remember, just bend this one because it's already bent. Then roll it over and do this one. Then you have your little rectangle, because once it's lined up, it makes it so much easier to slide it in there. But remember, then you gotta make sure you bend all these 4s on each corner. My food is ready. I normally do all 4 because I don't want to have to waste and do it again. So I do all 4 on both sides. But if you want to, if it's easy for you to do it by holding it up, it's easy for me to do it while it's on the ground, so I can put the pressure on and line it up. That's the reason why I do mine on the floor. And just make sure you have this stuff together. And the other part I want to show you, let me see this in here. It's this right here. So with this one right here, I'm gonna take one of them out. It got these lids right here. You see the openings right here? These little slots. So what you would do, if you want to combine them all together, you just get one, slide it in, slide the other one in right here, slide the other one in right there, and then you do the same thing on the other side. So now this one's together, see that? When you put the other one on, you just slap them in like that, and then both of them be together, and they all move at the same time. It won't move. So, but yeah, that's what I have for right now. I just want to give y'all a little quick one and a demonstration on how to do it. I'm gonna put them together and I'm gonna stack it up a little bit higher because I do have more shoes. And I hope it helped out. And I will have it in my description, so if you want to get one or a shoe organizer and stuff like that, you can get. They have, from what I seen, they have the white one, and they also have the black one. So this is it right here. This is when it's the black one, but they also have they have pearl white, black. They have black, pearl white, white, and they also, based on your thing, they have large, extra large, and XX, double X large, 2X large for people who have bigger shoes and stuff. So they do got different size for you. But that is, I will have this in the description. So hope this helps you out if you want to have a shoe organizer. And remember, whatever you do stuff at your own pace, on moderation. Stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, follow all the good stuff. Remember, like I always say, fitness is key, peace, and hair grease. Ooh-wee, I holla.